Cheers.
Man, we finna get in traffic, dog. In the box. Can't get no footage without getting in the box with Ashley. Oh, it smells so good in here. Ooh, Etta.
Not gonna have my allergies acting up.
Man, Etta James is not gonna have your allergies acting up. She is nice to people.
What's she saying?
Huh?
How she saying? How she saying?
I'm gonna show you how she sang. So we get on the street of him. Heat work.
This sticking to my boots.
Ah, that's that thing came out the roof. Don't worry about it.
God damn.
Uh-oh. Turn it off. I don't need no copyright.
I thought you saying you took this.
I did. No, I ain't cut it out yet. I ain't put that John in here yet.
What do you want you to do to this car?
Huh?
What do you want you to do to this car?
What he want me to do?
I mean, he wants you to add some details to it. Would you drive?
What are you talking about?
Talk about him.
Oh shit, I'm recording down. What, this? Oh yeah, the steering wheel probably be the same as the wheels. Oh, there goes Cybertruck. Hell, they keep popping up everywhere.
Sweets, but I'm stuck. I know what that is.
What? Look, y'all. Old Cybertruck. Like bright as hell. That might say like a refrigerator. Yep, so, you know what I'm saying? The dash, this right here coming out. Do it like, you know what I'm saying? MayRose. Like I said, that radio gonna stay, but it won't be functioning. You know what I'm saying? Get a console built. I wanna put some pillow type leather seats in here that come in the other box Chevys, like Persicat. The LS seats. I wanna put them in here.
This time got like person.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
Here's the LS. This one ain't. It got a quarter top on it, on the top. Like, yeah, the top, it cover the back windows. The two small back windows.
So you're not gonna redo the motor, make the motor go fast?
Yeah, the motor that's in MayRose going to here.
So how you trying to race this car?
No, this car will not be raced. This car is gonna be driven just like this. Matter of fact, when we go to the shows, if you ain't in the Jeep, you probably gonna be driving this. So we can be in traffic together. If you ain't in the Jeep.
Can't be the same color.
Cause that car that different. That car different. This car ain't built for my mama.
But I thought you said you want to fleet.
I ain't gonna worry about that. Yeah, man, we smashing down. This jump fast, ain't it? No, it ain't. No, this jump is turd slow. I'm talking about constipation type.
On the outside, it sound like it got something to do with it. Ain't got nothing. Ooh, these boys working out here, ain't
Who work? Yes, sir. Got a big find in the box, man. She ain't never been in a box before. First time for everything. Yeah, put that panoramic in here, you know what I'm saying, so I can let your hair blow and thing like that. You know what I'm saying? What Sugar Man say? Ain't nothing, we ain't hiding nothing from God. We ain't hiding nothing from God. We taking the roof off this junk. Letting all that in here. Huh?
So you can't hide nothing from the Lord.
Yeah, well, we hiding from right now. We got a hard top.
Oh, the Lord can see inside.
can't see it now.
You got X-ray vision.
I'm telling you. We blocking our blessings right now with the hard top.
No, we ain't.
But yeah, I might put I don't know if I want to put 412s in here or 215s. I might put 412s here. Knock the trunk off this giant.
And you want who to drive?
Yo, it ain't like you ain't gotta turn it up.
So I'm gonna turn it up. It's one of them cars you gotta pop the lock on the other, reach over and pop the lock on this giant.
Nah, we got everything new for this giant. I gotta open the door from the outside right now. On this side. Yep. Heat blowing good. I think I got the air on though.
Want me to drive?
Huh?
Saying I can drive.
Huh?
Saying I can drive.
What you talking about?
I can drive.
Yeah, you can drive.
I drive a little bit.
Yeah, when you paying attention. And when you ain't cussing folks out. You can drive. I think you drive best when you start cussing people out though. Like if you ain't cussing, like you be all in the other folks lying and stuff. I'm lying.
I'll be trying to get no speeding ticket.
Yeah. Speeding tickets are bad. You should not speed. They finna check.
Should not get caught. See somebody in jail.
It's like they doing something. I was just saying and run up over there.
Jesus.
Now you want to slow down. Let me try to slow down now because you see the blue light. Keep on rolling. Because I'd have came through here screaming like a light. They already got somebody pulled off. Ain't nothing they can do about me. Oh, damn, I ain't got nobody pulled off. They'd been on my ass like back pocket. Y'all see Etta James, man. She pulling her pip at this giant, man. What you talking about? Huh? Oh. Man, I ain't got no,
I already know I know.
Yeah, ain't nothing going on with that giant. Man, it's probably tricky.
Play the Beyonce version.
Man, what? Not I heard that disrespectful.
Etta can't sing.
Etta gonna sing in him. Etta gonna definitely sing in
She
him.
can't sing.
She 9,000 years old.
When she recorded that song?
Man, I know this fool didn't just blow the horn at me in this box. Boy, I will get out and take my belt off, boy.
Beat you like a stove.
Man,
Pretty bad. I'm scared to go.
man, you see the police over there. Ain't nobody worried about that, baby. You the only one worried about that. Damn. Probably disinfectant spray. I'm telling him. Crazy ass.
Clean up.
Man, crazy. Brandon up here.
Brandon, always.
Nah, Brandon work up here. He be working up here.
You say you be paying.
Yeah.
Kind of sweet she got
Huh?
over
I forgot all the sweets. Strawberry. Do you remember that's the time we got that strawberry cake? And all that stuff? Where my bug at? You want me to drive down through there? I know. That's why I got over here. Alright, y'all, hold on. Sheesh. Yeah, man, we just made it back. We went up to me and baby went up to the barbecue truck, man. Went up to the barbecue truck, man. Got us some old smoked wings and things like that right there. And yeah, baby said this is some ghetto stuff. But I like it though. Crazy work. Crazy work, man. Yeah. Oh, Etta James. Y'all see her. Etta James. When she come back, y'all gonna be like, ooh, that ain't the same car. What that boy Brown Ivy saying, woohoo.